Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones JBL Tune 720. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time at the multifunctional button right here between volume up and volume down. So just click on it. Let's make it another way. Click here and now I pause the song, and if I press again, I should play a song. Why it didn't work? Okay, it worked. If you want to increase the volume, you should use this volume up button, so just press on it and you can press quickly and increase the volume. And to lower the volume we have this minus button, so just press or press quickly and you can lower the volume. If you want to play next track, just press and hold at the volume up button. So press and hold it. And now we play next track. If you want to play previous track, just press and hold at the minus button. And as you can see, it worked. Now, you can call Google Assistant or Siri if you have iOS by press and hold this multifunctional button. So I'm just press and hold. Sometimes these headphones have trouble with it, so I should make it the second time. And as you can see, my assistant is awake. Now, if someone calls to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time at the multifunctional button. So let's check it. Now someone called to me and I just press one time and I answer the call. Right here, if you press and hold at the multifunctional button, you will mute the microphone. Oh, sorry. And it said that mute on. Right here we have no information here, but it muted. And to unmute it, just press and hold again until you can hear mute off. Here we go. And you can finish the call by pressing one time at the multifunctional button here. So, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.